In this video, I'll show you how to use the search bar and sidebar in Asana. The search bar and sidebar are two of the most useful navigation tools in Asana. They help you move through your workspace faster, find what you need more easily, and avoid wasting time opening project after project just to locate one task or update. Let's start with the search bar. You can usually find it at the top of the Asana workspace. When you click into it and start typing, Asana begins showing results that match what you entered. This can include tasks, projects, teammates, and other work items. It is one of the fastest ways to jump directly to something specific. This is especially useful when you already know the name of the item you are looking for. For example, if you need one particular task or project, the search bar can take you there immediately without extra browsing. In a large workspace, that can save a lot of time and make daily work much smoother. Now let's look at the sidebar. The sidebar is the navigation area along the side of the screen where you can move between different parts of Asana. This often includes areas like My Tasks, Inbox, Projects, Teams, and other key sections. It is best for browsing the overall structure of your workspace and moving from one work area to another. A simple way to think about it is this. Use the sidebar when you want to explore the structure of your workspace, and use the search bar when you want to jump straight to something specific. Both are useful, but they serve slightly different purposes. For example, you might use the sidebar to open your project section, then switch to the search bar to find one task inside a project. Or you might use search to open a task directly, then return to the sidebar to continue browsing other parts of your workspace. Once you get comfortable using both together, Asana becomes much easier to navigate. You spend less time looking for things and more time actually getting work done. That's how to use the search bar and sidebar in Asana. Use the search bar to find specific items quickly, and use the sidebar to move through your workspace more efficiently. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.